everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore some beautiful, cozy and creative Christmas craft ideas that you can easily make at home. Christmas is the perfect time to add warmth, color and little Christmas magic to your home. Whether you are a traditional Christmas decoration or prefer something simple and aesthetic, that these DIY ideas can help you to create something a festive atmosphere without spending too much money. So grab your favorite craft supplies, get comfortable and let's get started. Our first idea is the beautiful handmade Christmas ornament. You can use simple materials like cardboard, paper, fabric, ribbons, beads or even old buttons. Start by choosing your favorite Christmas shapes such as stars, snowflakes, Christmas tree or heart. Then decorate it with colors, glitter, small birds or ribbons. The best thing about handmade ornaments is that every piece can be unique. You can make them in your traditional red, green color or choose a more aesthetic theme like white and gold, silver or blue or soft natural colors. Once your favorite ornaments are ready, hang them on your Christmas tree. Use them as a gift decoration or display them around your home. Our next idea is a cute Christmas candle decoration. Candles instantly make any place feel warm, peaceful, and festive. You can decorate a simple candle jar with ribbon, twine small artificial pine branches, or teeny Christmas ornaments. Try wrapping a piece of burlap or ribbon around the jar and adding a small bow. You can also place a few decorative elements around the candle to create a beautiful Christmas centerpiece. This craft is simple, elegant, and perfect for decorating your table, shelf, or living room. Now let's move on to the next another lovely idea, a handmade Christmas wreath. A Christmas wreath is only one of the most classic holiday decoration and you can make your using many different materials. You can add cardboard as a base and decorate it with artificial leaves, pine cone branches, fabrics, flowers, ornaments, ribbons, or even paper decorations. Choose a color theme before you ring. A classic red, green, and gold with your give your home feel traditional Christmas look, while white, silver, and beige. You can create a softer and more modern style. Hang your finished work on the front door, above the fireplace, on a wall to instantly bring Christmas vibes into your space. The next craft idea is perfect if you enjoy working with fabric. You can create small Christmas decoration using pieces of fabric that you already have at home. Old clothes, leftover fabrics, ribbons, and felt can all be transformed into beautiful Christmas handmade decoration. Try making small fabric Christmas trees, stars, stockings, or little gift bags. You don't need always expensive, complicated swinging skills. Some simple designs can be made with fabric, glue, and basic hand stitching. Add ribbons, slabs, beads, or tiny bows to make each piece even more special. These handmade fabric craft can also make wonderful gifts for family and friends because they feel personal and unique. Another fun idea is create some Christmas table decoration. For this project, you can use a tray, basket, or wooden box as your base. Then arrange candles, pine cones, ornaments, artificial greenery, and fairy lights to create a festive centerpiece. You can keep the design simple and minimal or make it colorful and full of Christmas details. Add warm lights can make the entry decoration look extra magical, especially during the evening. The best part is that you can use many of these materials every year and specially create a new arrangement. And of course, we cannot forget about Christmas gift wrapping and decoration. Instead of using plain gift wrapping, try adding a handmade touch. Wrap your gifts with simple paper and decorate them with twine, ribbons, Small pine branches, dried orange slice, or handmade paper tags. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay creative, stay inspired.